Hello everyone. Hello. Have a good day. Ito tayo guys, naglalakad tayo for this video guys. For this afternoon, nandito tayo guys na naman si Inday Joan nyo. Ayan, naglalakad na naman ang peg guys. Mrs. Joan nyo guys. Walking na naman. Walking is the best exercise. Ayun, si Lola din doon. Naglakad-lakad din. Nag-exercise din siya. So, yun talaga guys. Kailangan maglalakad-lakad din tayo. Kahit pang minsan-minsan o hindi man everyday. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.